No, what she did, she told me, she's like, I want to do something with the guns or whatever. And I was like, I don't know about that, because you know, I was worried that like if we had like some type of live round or something like that, that it might you know, might encourage kids to play with guns or something, do like some pranks or something. So what I did was over here have like a
oh my God.
You have like a this is a 12 gauge trap right here. And what you do is you take and you put like a blank or a flare in there, and you got a trip wire.
My God. Holy
Happy Halloween!
scared the shit out of me.
Bam!
What are you doing? That is loaded. Put that down. What? What the idiot? Are you alright? What the There's nothing there.
Ow, babe! It hurts!
What did you do?
I don't know! Ow!
I don't see any blood.
Ow! Ow, it hurts!
What did you do?
I don't know! I touched
You
it!
Yo, I'm shaking. Like, I didn't know what to do. I didn't see any blood.
I tried to put it, but it was gone.
Dude, I'm shaking. The camera's shaking right now.
She was doing this? When did you come up with this? No high five.
I called him sneakily behind your back. And I planned it.
It's funny because I even saw you with the gun. I'm like, yo, put that
That's why, because I was like,
He's like, it's not loaded. I was about to be mad as shit at you. You're like, holy.
Happy Halloween.
Get out of me.
That was good. I'm glad it worked.
Nice.